Hello children, welcome back. As you all know that in part 1 video in today's assignment I have explained you the story, and then we have completed our 2 exercises, revision exercises. One was word meanings, and the A part was of word meanings and B part was of fill in the blanks. So now we are going to do other 2 exercises, part C and D, in which C part will be who said the following and D part will be of question and answers. So for that children, you have to take out your revision notebooks and turn to a new page. Okay, and then you will give the heading part C who said the following. So children, before starting with this video, I would like to ask you all that if all of you have done your revision part 1 and revision part 2 which I gave you yesterday, you all have done it, and those who have not done it children, please make sure that you complete it by today itself, and then after that you will continue with today's work. Is that clear? And please make sure children you start learning also, okay, because very soon your unit test will also start. So you have to just first watch all the videos of your assignments whichever you are getting every day, and both the part videos you have to see, and then after that whatever assignment is given to you, you have to do it in your notebooks, okay, and try to do your revision exercises, your revision assignments on your own, okay. Now coming back to our today's exercise, part C, who said the following. So are you all ready children? Very good. So the first sentence is, I'd like that red kite with the green tail, please. This sentence, who said this sentence children? I'd like that red kite. मुझे ये red kite पसंद है जिसकी tail green है. Please. So who said this sentence? You all remember? Very good. This sentence was said by Hasmina. So here we have to just write the name of the person who said this sentence. So your answer will be Hasmina, Hasmina. Okay. Now coming to the second sentence, when can we fly them? Now this was a question which was asked by Saif. Saif ने क्या पूछा था? हम लोग कब काइट उड़ा सकते हैं अपने फादर से? So the answer for this sentence is, who said this sentence? Saif. So you will write SAIF, Saif. Okay. Remember children, whenever you are writing the names, you will write it with a capital letter, okay, and please make sure you learn the spellings of these names very clearly, okay. Now third sentence, can I help? Who said this children? Who asked came forward to ask for help to Hasmina? You all know? Very good. Sharma ji came to ask, can I help? Okay. So here we will write SHARMAJI, Sharma ji. Is that clear to you all children? So once again I am repeating this exercise children. So please make sure you listen to it very carefully, because in the videos only I am giving you the answers, and in the assignment I am not giving you the answers because this is your revision assignments. So you have to listen all the answers very carefully in the videos only, and after that you have to write down in your revision notebooks on your own, okay. Now once again I am repeating. First sentence, I'd like that red kite with the green tail, please. Who said this? Hasmina, and the name of this spelling is HASMINA, Hasmina, okay. Now coming to the second sentence, when can we fly them? So this sentence was said by Saif. So the spelling of the word Saif is SAIF, Saif. Okay. Now coming to the third sentence, can I help? Now who said this sentence? This was said by Sharma ji. So the spelling is SHARMAJI, Sharma ji. Is that clear children? I hope this exercise is clear to you all. Now moving towards our fourth exercise, that is part D, question and answers. So as you all know that I have given you only 3 question answers in all the 3 assignments, in all the 3 revisions. Why? Because few of them are important for every chapter, so I have selected those questions only which are important for the particular chapters. Okay, so are you ready for your question answers now? So your question number 1, first of all you will write down part D and the heading question and answers. Okay, then question number 1, what did the children see from the roof? सब बच्चों ने दोनों बच्चों ने अपने रूफ से क्या देखा था? ओके, अपनी छत से क्या देखा था? So the answer is, how you will write, children? First, I will call out the answer. The answer is, the children saw many people were flying kites from the roof of their buildings. So this was the correct answer for this question. You remember? Very good. So how you will write? The children, children, children saw many people, SAW, saw, MANY, many, PEOPLE, many people, were, 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 flying, 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 kites, 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 from, 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 the, the, roof, ROOF, roof of other buildings, BUILDINGS, buildings. Is that clear, children? So your correct answer is, the children saw many people who were flying kites from the roof of other buildings. So this is your answer number 1. Now coming to question number 2, why did Sharma ji stopped walking? Sharma ji ने अचानक से walk करना क्यों बंद कर दिया था? So you all remember the answer. Sharma ji stopped walking because he watched the black kite. So how you will write the answer? Sharma ji, SHARMAJI, Sharma ji stopped, STOPPAD, stopped walking. This you can write from the question itself only. Sharma ji stopped walking. Okay. Then next line you will write because, BECAUSE, because he, he watched, WATCHED, watched the, the black kite, BLACK, black, KITE, kite. So this is your correct answer number 2. Sharma ji stopped walking because he watched the black kite. Okay. So I hope you all have understood question number 2 also. Now coming to question number 3. Who was good at flying kites? Kites fly करने में, kites उड़ाने में कौन सबसे अच्छा था? So it is very easy answer. One word answer, Sharma ji was good at flying kites. You just have to learn Sharma ji for this question, because rest the answer will come from this question itself. Sharma ji was good at flying kites. Okay. So how you will write? You just have to write Sharma ji here. Okay. And then rest of the sentence you will get from here. Was good at flying kites. KITES, kites. Is that clear, children? So I hope all the 3 question answers are clear to you all. Once again, children, I am repeating these questions. So listen to it very carefully and properly understand these answers, because you have to do it on your own now. Okay. So question number 1, what did the children see from the roof? Answer is, the children saw many people were flying kites from the roof of other buildings. उन्होंने क्या देखा कि और भी बहुत सारे लोग अपनी अपनी रूफ पे खड़े होके kites fly कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाई डिड शर्मा जी स्टॉप्ड वॉकिंग? शर्मा जी ने अचानक से वॉक करना क्यों बंद किया? सो द आंसर इज, शर्मा जी स्टॉप्ड वॉकिंग बिकॉज ही वॉच्ड द ब्लैक काइट, क्योंकि उन्होंने ब्लैक काइट जो टॉल बॉय की थी उसको देखना शुरू कर दिया था. ओके. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु वॉज गुड एट फ्लाइंग काइट्स? कौन सबसे अच्छा था काइट्स उड़ाने में? आंसर इज, शर्मा जी वॉज गुड एट फ्लाइंग kites. Is that clear, children? So very easy. I hope you all have started learning also. And children, please make sure that you try to complete all your revision work on your own. Okay. And start learning also. So that is all for today's videos, children. There are 2 parts in today's assignment. One was of revision exercise. Before starting the revision exercise, I have explained you the chapter in short. After that, I have given you part A and B in your of your revision exercise in part 1 video, and then C and D part I have given in this part 2 video. Okay, so I want you all to complete this work by today itself and start learning. Okay, till my next video, from tomorrow we are going to do revision of English language. Okay, so till then children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.